The Chakki River was in news recently. It is one of the tributaries of which river? Beas River. Option B. Why has it been in news? A joint committee of officials has informed the National Green Tribunal (NGT) that stone crushing units are even altering the course of the Chakki River at many places. Chakki River flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab and merges with the Beas River near Pathankot of Punjab. It is fed by snow and rain in the Dhauladhar Mountains. The Beas River is a river in North India. It rises in the Himalayas in central Himachal Pradesh of India and flows for some 470 kilometers to the Satluj River in the Indian state of Punjab. Its total length is 470 kilometers. Its drainage basin is 20,303 square kilometers large. Who introduced One Nation One Election Bill in the Lok Sabha? Arjun Ram Meghwal. Option C. He is Minister of Law and Justice at present. A joint parliamentary committee comprising a maximum of 31 members, including representatives from both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, will review the proposed amendments. Of these, 21 members will be from the Lok Sabha. One Nation, One Election is a proposal under consideration by the Government of India to synchronize all elections in the country, either on a single day or within a specific time frame, with an objective of cutting election cost. Where will the Surajkund International Crafts Mela be held in 2025? Haryana. Option D. The Surajkund International Crafts Mela is held annually at Surajkund in Faridabad of Haryana in India. The forthcoming 38th edition of the Mela will be held from 7 to 23rd February 2025. This Mela is unique as it showcases the richness and diversity of the handicrafts, handlooms, and cultural fabric of India and is the largest crafts fair in the world. The Mela is organized by the Surajkund Mela Authority and Haryana Tourism in collaboration with Union Ministries of Tourism, Ministry of Textiles, Ministry of Culture, and Ministry of External Affairs. Who is the author of the book titled New Bharat Modi's Vision and Development? Shri Ravi Parashar. Option D. Minister of Culture and Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Prasar Bharati Chairman Navneet Sehgal, Kitab Wale MD Prashant Jain, along with author Ravi Parashar were there during the release of the book New Bharat Modi Vision and Development 2019 to 2024. The book is based on the developmental works and schemes of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his vision. Which new highway patrol services has been launched by NHAI? Rajmarg Sathi. Option A. The National Highway Authority of India intends to strengthen its highway patrol services with Rajmarg Sathi. The RPVs, route patrolling vehicles, conduct inspection of national highway stretches to monitor and respond to emergency situations. The rear or trunk of RPV has a closed cabinet with dedicated space for different equipment and inventory. The shelves have been created to provide quick and easy access to different equipments during the emergency situations and is a significant upgrade from the earlier RPVs. With which group has UNICEF joined hands to empower children in rural India? BMW Group. Option B. The partnership will provide access to quality STEM education to adolescent girls from Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas and tribal ashram shalas belonging to the most marginalized groups in hard to reach rural areas in state of Assam, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. It is focusing on gender equality and inclusive education. UNICEF, it's an agency of the United Nations responsible for providing humanitarian and developmental aid to children worldwide. And BMW is a German multinational manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich of Bavaria in Germany. Who has been appointed as new Director General of Police of State Bihar? Mr. Vinay Kumar, option A. Bihar, its capital is Patna, Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar, and Governor is Rajendra Arlekar. Which state government has launched the Indira Gandhi Sukh Shiksha Yojana recently? Himachal Pradesh, option B. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu launched 6 welfare schemes on the completion of 2 years of his government. The launch event took place in Bilaspur of Himachal Pradesh. Under this scheme, 1.38 crore rupees was distributed to 5,145 beneficiaries. Eligible children below the age of 18 years get 1,000 rupees every month and financial assistance for higher education. Who has been appointed as the executive director at Yes Bank? Manish Jain, option C. His appointment is for a period of 3 years starting from December 2024 to December 2027. Yes Bank was founded in year 2004 by Rana Kapoor and Ashok Kapoor. Its headquarters in Mumbai of Maharashtra in India. India and which country have launched the Desert Night and Air Combat Exercise recently? Both A and B. Option D. Recently exercised Desert Night was launched over the Arabian Sea to boost military interoperability and enhance defense ties. It is a trilateral air combat exercise between India, France, and the UAE. This trilateral exercise comes as a part of broader efforts to strengthen defense ties in strategically crucial regions, including the Indo Pacific and the Persian Gulf. Where has India launched the first diabetes biobank? Chennai, option B. India's first diabetes biobank has been established in Chennai, a collaboration between the Indian Council of Medical Research and the Madras Diabetes Research Foundation. The facility aims to collect, process, and store biological samples for research on diabetes causes, variations, and related disorders. Who has been elected as Honorary Fellow of International Diabetes Federation? Dr. Vishwanathan Mohan, option C. He has also received the Padma Shri National Award in year 2012 by the Government of India for his accomplishments in the field of diabetology. He is also recipient of the Dr. B.C. Roy Award of the Medical Council of India. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.